yesterday. I had that time. I made mistake. I made excuses. I did scream. And my mind feel okay. Inspiration I have today. Inspiration, and I live it with my reflection. First to my ganas to pardon, cause He knows my reflection. And after that I'm going to tell to all my friends, give me for everything that I do in my mistake. Inspiration I have today. Inspiration, and I live in my reflection. Inspiration I have today. Inspiration, and I live in it, my reflection. Inspiration.